35% of the Quranic words, a very important part of any language, as they decide the relation between what comes before and what comes after them, is known as linking words or the connectors. For example, inna, which means verily or truly.
إن الله على كل شيء قدير.
Verily Allah is able to do all things. Anna, which means that, followed by a noun.
ألم تعلم أن الله على كل شيء قدير.
Do you not know that Allah is capable of all things? In and la'in, which means if.
فإن آمنوا بمثل ما آمنتم به فقد اهتدوا.
So if they believe in the same as you believe in, then they have been rightly guided. An, which means that, followed by a verb.
قال يا ويلتى أعجزت أن أكون مثل هذا الغراب.
He said, "Oh woe to me, have I failed to be like this crow?" Ka'an, which means as if.
ولى مستكبرا كأن لم يسمعها.
He turns away in pride as if he did not hear them, as if there is deafness in his ears. Lakin, which means but.
ألا إنهم هم المفسدون ولكن لا يشعرون.
In fact, it is they who are the corruptors, but they are not aware. Lamma, which means when.
فقد كذبوا بالحق لما جاءهم.
They denied the truth when it has come to them. Law, which means if.
ولو شاء الله لذهب بسمعهم وأبصارهم.
And if Allah had willed, He could have taken away their hearing and their sight. Lawla, which means but for, or were it not for.
فلولا فضل الله عليكم ورحمته لكنتم من الخاسرين.
And were it not for Allah's grace and mercy towards you, you would have been among the losers. Min qabl, which means before.
لله الأمر من قبل ومن بعد.
To Allah belongs the command before and after. Idh, which means when for the past.
وإذ واعدنا موسى 40 ليلة.
And recall when we appointed for Moses 40 nights. Now you can feel it. You're on the right path towards your goal of understanding the Quran. Share the reward and spread the benefit.